Welcome friends of Nolly on stage. Three minutes. Good luck.
Hello everyone. First of all, I have no idea how to send something into space, but I have a great idea. And actually, what I have to do to get something into space. Currently, I have to have a lot of knowledge. I have to know how to build a satellite, how to get that satellite into space, how to find funding, how to find people who send me that thing into space. And that's really cost intensive, and yeah, you really need a lot of time for that. But step back a little. If we are looking for past hardware development, we're seeing in the first time computers were only built for one specific purpose. Later on, as they rose in hardware or in performances, we could do more application at once on a PC. Later on, the same is with the mobile market and the Internet of Things devices, actually everything on hardware. So why this does not happen too with satellites? So what we want to do is to create a space app market, meaning we're creating an operating system for common used multi-purpose satellites, including app store and development tools for that, so that if I have an idea, I do not care about anything on the left, I don't care about the launching, I don't care about the satellites deployment, I just get on the PC, get some coding, and just upload my application for the satellite. And yeah.
Yes, so we will provide a satellite operating system to be on board the satellite that will receive also apps. So we will provide also the infrastructure for an app store. And you will have the possibility to upload and develop your own app. For example, educational scientific apps or satellite renting apps that will allow you to rent a time slot of the satellite for whatever you want, whatever your application will allow you for private imaging or weather forecast or radio amateurs applications. So the apps will be available on the smartphone as a commercial smartphone. So what are our benefits? We will reduce time to market in terms that if you have an idea and you want to test it into space, you don't have to go through the entire process we mentioned before. You just send your app in space and test how does it behave in orbit. And you don't need to be a very expertise in space development. You just have to be able to develop your app. And this will reduce the cost. How we plan to have a revenue? We will sell the operating system, so satellite developers will pay for this. And also we will have a fee on each app, so app users will pay for it.
Thank you very much, team. Time is over, so thank you for your presentation. Judges,
very short time.
Time for questions.
So I have understood you are going to rent time and the application of existing and future satellites from satellite providers, which are not you, right?
Yes.
So how do you secure your time on those satellites? Because every satellite comes with its own business model.
Yes, of course. But this will be an operating system that can be adopted from satellite developers that has this type of mission objectives. They want to develop a multi-purpose CubeSat or satellite, and so they will need a software tool that will allow you or them to provide these multi-option objectives. Another key point is that they will be the apps will be very user-friendly. So it will be easy to develop an app or to use it, and we will get also a revenue from everything.
what exactly will be the product? Will it be a picture or will it be navigation, or what exactly will be what you are selling?
We're actually selling time on the satellite, meaning if something happened on geological aspect, means there is an earthquake or there were some waves or so, we can selling, okay, every time the satellite is going over that specific location, they're making a picture, sending it to them, and the rest of the time someone else can use the satellite. With that, we can really use the whole satellite, the whole 100% or close to 100% of the time, and not just floating around most of the time and doing nothing. And yeah, with that we can do experiments, we can do selfies from space. You can create your own app on, okay, I'm standing here, the satellite is coming that time, okay, let's make my own selfie. Or there are going to be for sure a lot of new development invention, since if we provide the development tools, new apps will arise. Same happened with smartphones.
Thank you very much, Tim.